This is 2022 JAMB past question, and the subject is bearing. The question says, from a point C, this is the point C, 600 meters north of A. So what it means is that this is what the point A. They said north of of A, and this point now is 600 meters. Okay, a man walks east-west. This is the east. It walks east-west to a place B, which is 1000 meters from A. What it means now is that this point is 1000 meters, and when you look at this shape, you will observe that what we have here is a right angled triangle, and they gave us the hypotenuse side. This side now can be adjacent to or opposite depending. So we are now asked to find the distance of C from B. So this point now I can label it letter N. Okay, so what I will do now is this. I will apply Pythagoras theorem in solving this, which is n squared is equal to 1000 squared minus 600 squared, which is n squared is equal to 1 million minus 360000, which is n squared is equal to 1 million minus 360,000. We will have 640,000. Then n will automatically become the square root of 640,000. And the square root of 640,000 is 800. So answer to this question is option A. If you understand this question, what do you think about this? Let's just assume that what they gave us now is we have 13,000 here, and in this point we have 500. Okay, and forget about these options. So solve this question and drop your answer in the comment section. See you in my next video, but don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and if you are watching me from Facebook or TikTok, you give my page a follow, and try to share my video to your friends and well-wishers so that they will benefit as well. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.